This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix ERR connection refused WordPress error. So if you're trying to open a WordPress website and you're facing this error, follow these easy steps to fix it. The first solution is try to open the website from a different browser or a different device. You can use Opera browser or Firefox instead of Google Chrome browser. And the second solution is clear your browser cache files. Click on this three dot, click on history, click on history, click on clear browsing data, and time range, select all time. Check browsing history and check cookies and other site data. Then click on clear data. Once done, relaunch your browser and check the issue. And the third solution is check your internet working or not. To do that, click on this internet icon. And now you can connect to a different internet, and after that, and then try to reopen the website and check the issue. And the last solution is change the DNS server. To do that, click on the search icon and type here control panel and open control panel app, and here click on view by and select small icons, and then click on internet and sharing center and click on change adapter settings, and here you'll get Wi-Fi. Right click on it and click on properties, and in this box search for internet protocol version 4. Select it and click on properties, and here select obtain an IP address automatically, and here select use the following DNS server addresses, and in this preferred DNS server box type 88888, and in this alternative DNS server box type 884 and 4, and then click on OK. And after quickly changing your DNS server, go ahead and try to relaunch the website and check the error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.